Hello, kindergarten. How are you doing? I'm going to read you a book called Maisy Goes Camping. It's almost camping time because the weather is getting warmer. Do you like to go camping? Maisy does. Maisy Goes Camping by Lucy Cousins. It says, one day Maisy decided to go camping. And all her friends came along. They found the perfect place to make a camp. They sure have all of their stuff with them, don't they? They have their backpacks and their sleeping mats and a walking stick. Pitching a tent is not easy, but everyone worked together. They're putting up their tent, a place to sleep. Oh no, the tent fell down. So they tried again and again until the tent stayed up. Good job, everyone. That night they sang around the campfire. Then it was time for bed. Cyril went in first with his flashlight. One in the tent. Next came Charlie. Watch the pegs. Two in the tent. Then it was Tallulah's turn. Three in the tent. Make room for Maisy. Four in the tent. Who hasn't gone in the tent yet? Oh boy. Is there room for one more? Come on, Eddie. There's room for you. I like Eddie's jammies. Oh no. Five in the... What a squash. What a squeeze. What a squeezy squish squash. Oh boy. Five in the tent. They made it. Good night, campers. Pop! Out came Cyril. Pop! Out came Tallulah. Pop! Out came Charlie. Pop! Out came Maisy. Uh-oh. One in the tent. Four under the stars. Sleep tight, campers. But the owl says, woo, woo. He doesn't need to worry about being in a tent. But all the others, they were all squish squash in the tent, and they all popped out because there was no room. But I bet you they really enjoyed sleeping under the stars. Remember our other book where Gerald was impatient and Piggy showed him the stars? I bet you these guys are happy they can see the stars. Well, that's the end of that story. Have a good rest of the day. Make sure you all do your homework. Goodbye.